Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Flavor Station, Flavor Chasers. I'm going to show you how to cook tofu. Yeah!
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
First things first, not first thing second or third. Get your tofu, drain it well, chop it, slice it, dice it. Whatever shape you like, it doesn't really matter. Big pan, frying pan, shallow fry. You're talking about 2 centimeters of oil. Splash guard if you're a clean freak. If not, live life on the edge. Paper towel to dry and drain and reduce the fat by 20%. Now, once the oil's nice and hot and it's sloshing around nice and loose, bang your tofu in there. No long ting. Look, see it there? Sizzle, sizzle, nice and clean. No dirt, no overheating. Once the edges start to go all golden brown, you're gonna flip them round. See them there? Starts to go hard, all crispy, lovely outside, golden, fluffy inside. Tofu's the one, you know, blood. I swear to goodness. Yeah, man. Once it's frying away, you don't have to fast with it. Don't mess with it. Just leave it be, and it will do its thing. Now, as soon as you're golden all the way around, get your paper towel. This is gonna remove a lot of the fat from the outside. Put it on there to drain. Yeah, man, then on top, same way. Press down, little bit of pressure. Just removes that grease. See it there? The grease gone. We're gonna live healthy today. This is a vegan thing. Szechuan tofu, baby. Next thing we're gonna do, get a chopping board. Get our veg, peppers, jalapeno or green chili, onion, garlic, chop all that. Just rough, little bit of ginger. Tiny dice, see it there? All of that chopped. Little splash of oil in your frying pan. Bang that in there. Sizzle, sizzle, baby. Next thing we want to do, make the sauce. The Szechuan. My take on Szechuan. Salty, sweet, spicy, just lovely. Sweet chili, soy sauce, spring onion, coriander. No messing. Now check back on there. You don't want it too soft. You want it to have that bite. But we're good to go. We're cooking. It's one pot ting. Coriander, rough chop. Spring onion, rough chop. Bowl, sauce. In with that, sweet chili, bang. See it there? Shake, 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 Senora, shake your body line. About 3-4 tablespoons of that. About a teaspoon of dark soy. Sesame seeds, tablespoon, no messing. See it there? A little bit of hot water. The reason I do that, you see, it just takes the rawness off because we're just dropping this in and boom. All purpose, you don't know the Dodge River thing has to make an appearance every time. Come on, man. Yeah, boy. Mixer, mixer. Look at that. Beautiful sauce. Now, once your veg is softening, translucent onions, bang your tofu in there. See it there? Yeah, man. Then we come straight behind. As soon as you get the heat in, straight behind with your sauce. Sauce in there. Sizzle, sizzle. We smash it, you know. It's a vegan thing. Vegan, but we will not vegan. Be gone. Be boring gone. Be boring. There you have it. Beautiful tofu, Szechuan style.
This is crack.
Yeah, man, see that sizzling away? Oh, it's beautiful stuff, man. Tofu is the one. I could eat it every day, for every meal, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Thanks for watching Flavor Chasers. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, do your thing, you know the score. And then we have it. Golden, crunchy, fluffy, soft, sweet veg, love you, bye. Oh yeah, and if you love good food, like the food behind this, watch a video, subscribe and watch a playlist. It's lit.